Hello and welcome to DigiSculpt Studio. So today we're going to address an issue a lot of people face when working with surfaces in Creo. Sometimes when you use Thicken, there's 600, what you want is you want the extrusion to be in this direction. Rather than having this normal to the surface, you want it in a direction normal to, let's say, this plane. Thicken does not help you achieve that, no matter what you do. If you use automatic fit, still not as required, and if you go for control fit and fidget around with this, but it still will not give you the desired result. So in such a case, you cannot really use thicken. For this, what you need to do is you need to have a copy of this surface offset here. You need to have this surface offset and copied here somewhere, 6 mm in this direction. For that, you cannot really use copy and paste. That doesn't do it. What you need to do is you need to go to legacy. This is the legacy mode. You can toggle it on. And as you can see, these become grayed out. You cannot access these features while this is on. I have it. I have this in my quick access toolbar. I can toggle it on and off from here. Let's have it on. So you want to create a copy. You select surface. You transform. You want to have. Want to move that copy from there. Move copy. Done. Select the surface. Okay. Want to have it translated in this direction, normal to this surface, to this datum, and you say, okay, you want to have it, let's say 6 mm in that direction, and now you have the copy. Now this is an exact copy of this. It is not smaller than this. So when you create a wall between these, it will be perpendicular to this plane. Now, now that we have this, let's say return, we can just this off from here if you don't have it in your quick access toolbar like I do. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to boundary blend. You want to have those walls. You want to solidify it. So you want to go to boundary blend. Select this surface. Hold down Shift. Select this and this. Now that's my first curve. Select this edge. Again, press Control. Select this edge. Now press Shift. Like this. And select this. By this I mean the inner one. As you can see, we're getting this feature here, this surface here, which acts as the wall between them. You can have a preview of this. You can see that I have what I needed, and you can say okay. And after you have this, you can turn off the datums. You can select this, merge this. Now that you have this merged, all you need to do is solidify like this. And there you have it. It's perpendicular to this plane, just the way you need it. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Dislike if you didn't, and please leave a comment. Thank you.